Okay, thanks for joining me for this video tour of the RSA Conference 2024. My name is Dane Disimino, and this is Cyber PMM. So we're going to go through as if I am a spectator observing and walking through the halls, but also with a messaging kind of mindset to just try to absorb all of the messages that we're taking in. So as we go through, I will be trying to decipher the messages and helping you out in terms of what exactly is going on because it's so noisy, right? So let's get started. First, we have BeyondTrust, Intelligent Identity and Access Security, the leader, protect identities and access from cyber threats. ZeroFox, gain physical threat visibility, external cybersecurity. America's Cybersecurity Agency says CISA, CISA. Know before is going with human error conquered, identify, quantify, and mitigate your human risk. BitDefender, prevent, protect, detect, respond, trusted always. Lacework, can't tell, cut through the noise with radical clarity. Fortanix, must be a new vendor. Here we have, not sure who. Lima Charlie, can't really make out what they're saying there. Netherlands, unveiling tomorrow cybersecurity solutions. Gurucul, seek less, find more. XM Cyber, fix what matters most. Key factor, I think this is. Axonius, control complexity. One engine, one client, one gateway, one network from Netskope. The Netskope One platform, the power of one, protect and accelerate. Punching Fox. Securonix Eon with a punching bag machine. Synopsis, build security into DevOps. Integrate, automate AppSec testing, innovate and manage risks with generative AI. Red Canary, actionable threat intelligence. Netskope, one platform again. The next evolution of SASE and Zero Trust. Manage engine, privileged access management. Axonius, see all assets. Flanders, northern region of Belgium in attendance. Teramind, solving for the human element. Omni platform. National Security Agency in attendance. Defending our nation, securing the future. Mayhem, startup, right, dev-centric, DAST. NSA. Abnormal, trusted by more than 15% of the Fortune 500. Solving for the human element, Teramind, ThreatLocker, Zero Trust Endpoint Protection Platform. Spain, the land of cybersecurity. Deloitte, Cybersphere. I guess that's what they're nicknaming their booth, or it's the name of a platform, I'm not sure. 24/7 expert response from a Canary, unmatched threat detection. Recorded Future, the world's largest threat intelligence company. Comprehensive solutions for every stage of your security journey. That's the broad brush messaging I mentioned in my previous post about RSAC. A lot of everything, everywhere, all kind of messages around. Infoblox, unite networking and security. Armis. Snyk. Snyk is the developer security leader, serving customers across all industries, 3,000 plus customers. Netskout, Arbor adaptive DDoS protection for enterprises and service providers. Abnormal, go ahead, be human. Abnormal AI. Versa, trust your network again. AI protection for your human interactions from abnormal. Eliminate DDoS vulnerabilities everywhere from startup Mazebolt. RapidFort, can't tell. Venafi, transform your machine identity management. More than meets the eye. And they have an actual transformer. They get extra points for that. Optiv, secure greatness. Snyk, trust Gen AI code, your Gen AI security partner. eCentire, don't gamble with your MDR provider. Choose proven. Go all in on eCentire. Sysdig, can't tell. Armis, Centrix for asset management and security. Mark Any is the Korea Pavilion. Logarithm, security made easy. Logarithm Axon, cloud native SIM platform. Streamline your security operations, your oasis in the cybersecurity chaos. I'm not sure if that's a tagline or if that's what they're saying that place is there. Fortra, your cybersecurity ally. Expel. Managed services, 24/7 service delivery. eCentire, the proven choice for MDR. BitSite, empowering the leaders that power a more resilient world. FutureX, haven't heard of them. Encryption, PKI, Cloud HSM. FBI Cyber, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Dynatrace, mitigate exposure to risk 95% faster. Bitwarden, trusted 360 degrees security. Continuously identifies exposures, prevent vulnerabilities from exploits. Dynatrace. Archon, drift management, build cyber resilience for digital business. JFrog, DevSecOps is a binary decision. FBI Cyber, report internet crime to the FBI at ic3.gov. Critical Start, Cyber Operations Risk and Response Platform, Risk and Security Operations Center, determine untrusted events. ReliaQuest, Gray Matter Platform, detection, investigation, and response. ReliaQuest, Gray Matter. Uptycs, TYCS. Fortra, Uptycs, unify security across your runtime environments and software pipeline. Fortra, your cybersecurity ally, digital risk and email protection, data protection. Secure laptop code, Uptycs. Everywhere security. Cloudflare, everywhere security from Cloudflare. Jupiter One, continuous threat and exposure management, attack surface management. Devo, real-time visibility with the Devo security data platform. Datadog. Datadog can't tell. Critical Start, MDR. Crypto 4A, quantum safe, crypto agile hardware security modules. Safe, unified third-party and first-party, the only solution that is purpose-built on the FAIR model. Unified PAM, privileged access management, as simple as it should be from Secureden. Gutsy, cool brand name. Accenture, Hyperproof, accelerating enterprise GRC transformation together with Hyperproof. Ontario, Canada, in full force. Koala Key, Cyber Int, impactful intelligence. Devo, real-time visibility with the Devo security platform. Genians, NAC and ZTNA, Zero Trust Network Access. Safe Aeon, cybersecurity, 24/7 cybersecurity as a service. SquareX, Detect Next, insider risk and data protection, the Reveal platform by Next. Cloudflare, if your security isn't unified, it isn't everywhere. The Machine Zoltar from Big in attendance. Extra points to Next. Supply Chain Invaders by Eclipsium. Zenity, secure, unleash enterprise productivity. Nile, no longer your weakest link. You're wired something. Mesmo, understand and optimize data for SIM. Mesmo is a catchy brand. Secure auth, frictionless, passwordless, risk-based. Stop chasing alerts and start chasing cases with AI-driven OpenAI from Open XDR from Stellar Cyber. Armor Code, reduce risk with AI-powered ASPM. Mundu, stop clicking, start automating. Introducing NetWitness Next by NetWitness. CDW, amazing happens when seamless security powers business innovation. NetWitness, deliver defense accelerated. Devolutions, it's IT security pulling you down. Keep calm and devolutions on. Infinidat, cyber criminals never take a break, but you can with a Hawaii theme.